look at the condition. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So difference means we have to put negative sign here, and difference of two integers gives 8. So if I choose 20 here, and here if I put 12, so 20 minus 12 gives us 8, right? So the answer is 8 with two positive integers. But we are asked to find out pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So here obviously we have to reverse the order. Like if I write minus 12 here, minus of minus 20, this will gives us 8. Hope this makes sense. It is very easy to think in this way, 8, but as the question asks for pair of negative integers, that means both the numbers should have negative sign. So here it is minus 12, and minus is plus 20 and 8. So this is how we can find out n number of examples for this question. Now let's look at the second question. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So if I choose minus 15 and a positive integer, let us say 10, its result is minus 5, because greater number is this and it is having negative sign, so the answer will also have negative sign. Minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. We can have several other examples for the same, like if I write minus 10 plus the other positive integer plus 5, this is also minus 5. Now let's look at the third question. This asks for write a negative integer and a positive integer, a negative and a positive integer again, whose difference is minus 3. Difference is, here the condition is difference is minus 3. So first write the sign which is asked for difference, and the answer has to be minus 3. So the greater number should have negative sign. So if I put minus 10 as one integer, and difference of minus 10 with which number gives us 3? Obviously 7. 10 and 7 difference is 3. So here I'll write minus 7, but it has to be a positive number, right? So I cannot take this as minus 7, so I cannot take this, right? So what we will write this as, see, first I have found out the pair which will gives us 3, right? But here we are given that a negative integer and a positive integer, so just write 7 here, and as the condition is for difference, so minus sign here, and a positive integer 10, but here it has to be negative. Again, what I see that this is also not making any sense, so let's try for another way. See, this is what goes in your brain. It is a mental process. So now if I think of 1 and 2, this pair also gives us the answer 3, but we have to play with the sign. So if I put minus 2 as one integer, and as the condition is difference, so difference, and if I put 1 here, this gives us minus 3. So this is how we can find out the examples for given several conditions, as we can see the 3 problems here. I hope this is clear to everyone, and see you in next video. Thank you.